What up, fam, and welcome back to the vlog. I'm Deb. Before you much today, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop vlogs like these. Welcome back, y'all. That's the intro for the vlog channel. So, today we're going to, for this day of Vlogmas, we are going to be doing some things around the house. First, let's knock some of these packages out of the way. First and foremost, let's check this out. This is something that we have been needing, but until here recently, didn't even think to order one. It is a oil siphon. That will come in very handy when it comes to emptying these containers that we fry in and getting the grease out of it, regardless of whether it's on the outside or the inside. Hey there, mama. Let's see what else. Okay. We've got some film application. That's a whole kit there. And that is going to go with this here. Let's open it. We got two of these that are going to be going with the film kit because our front door, there are two glass panes on either side. Well, there's a glass pane on either side of our front door. And if you're coming and looking from the outside, you can see into the house. We are tired of hanging little curtains and stuff over there. So we're gonna tint it up. This is the squeegee sponge that is for applying our tint kit. We're gonna get to the Walmarts in a minute. Actually, we'll go ahead and get these now. There were a few things that we wound up ordering online from Walmart.com. Because it actually said that our local store had it in stock. Well, the items rather. And I've been to our local store countless times, have yet to see it. So in my mind, unless they're just having it in the back and they're not restocking, then they lying. However, this box here was shipped from Indiana. This box here was shipped from South Carolina. So let's see what out of my list came from Indiana and what came from South Carolina. One, two, three. Well, it would appear that the Takis, yes y'all, Takis Fuego flavored taco shells. So these came from Indiana. Gotta be careful because I ain't trying to smash or squish not a nail. So that means that realistically, this should be the other taco shells. But I did order more than just taco shells because of the fact that Walmart now has to where it's only second day delivery if you are a Walmart Plus member, which we are not. So in addition to the taco shells, I bought more taco shells. Here. just regular spicy bold taco shells. So we got 3 boxes of the regular spicy, 3 boxes of that Del Fuego. So yay yay. We have family members, as far as those that are watching, that have been having problems finding the shells as well. So if you have been having problems finding spicy shells at your local Walmart, and nevertheless, if you have not seen the Takis Fuego, know that they have the Takis Fuego, go ahead and order you them from online, and they'll come to you within 2 days. Of course, you have to do an order of $35 or more. So they'll come from in your, well, I can't say in your local area because mine came from South Carolina. AG, if you're watching, we gotta order them online, fam. We can't go in the store anymore. I got some furniture movers to make it easier to shift the furniture around without scratching up our floors. This is dangerous. Can explode. So with that on the outside of the box, I'm practically knowing what this should be. This should be the emulator that we spoke of. Yes, yes, yes it is. Yep. So I went on ahead and bought 2 extra controllers off rip. It came with 2 controllers that look like, the emulator itself comes with 2 controllers that look like PlayStation controllers. So I ordered 2 retro old school controllers that look like Super Nintendo controllers. That's what's on the box, on the top box. Box away. What have we gotten from Babe? That could have ended badly. Oh, we got some Tims. We got some Tims, y'all. Hey, bought me some damn Tims. Pardon my language. Yes, I will fix another bottle. Ooh, they crispy, y'all. I'm talking about they crispy. Ooh. Yeah, I like these. Guaranteed waterproof since 1973. I have Daddy do this to attend to. Give me 1 second, y'all. And we're back. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the box opened so we can proceed to what we need to do next for today. I don't know what Vlogmas day it is, so I can't say how is your such and such. So I'll just say, how is your day going today? Another pair of Timberlands. No wonder she's been on me to open these boxes since my birthday. Let's see what this one is. Oh snap. composite safety toe, waterproof, electrical hazard, metal free. Babe done bought me some Timber shoes. Let's see what this last big box is. I guess I got a couple more small things. I ain't even gonna say what you believe if I told you what it is, cause you better already know. Bow! And another pair. That's a running total of 3, B. These look different. These look like some rainbows, boy. They feel nice too. This shoe makes me feel like my foot is monstrous. However, these boots are just constructed pretty sturdy. They all light though. They look heavy. Oh, we didn't look at the other pair. We didn't look at the shoes. Messing up my little setup over here. There we go. See what these look like. These actually feel heavier than the boots though. It's probably because of that composite safe toe on them though. Now, let's get to the last few things. There we go. Get in there. We desperately needed this because the outlet ratio compared to devices in our bedroom, we needed a little bit of assistance. So we got this boy here. You won the prize. Please scrape to see your winning level. Sure. Okay. See, I took it out because I thought it was going to have some assembly. Okay. Short, simple, to the point. And we have a watch charger, phone charger, pen charger, and AirPod charger. Different height levels. All right. Our children have gotten a hold of the second one, so I've got to go searching through the house to find it. But this, my friends, this is the star of the things that we have coming up for you guys. It is called a gimbal, and we are just going to say it is a recording assistant. It follows the motion of the user. So I'm definitely excited about that because now I have an extra assistant for help on the time that they really ain't up to it. Just gotta go through, make sure I got all my pieces. Instruction manual. Create magnetic moments. We'll assemble this later. Let me just put you back up because I'm getting ahead of myself, getting a little excited when we actually have other things to do today. But having it opened, I can put it on the charger though. That's what we will leave it open for, to put it on the charger so they'll be ready when we need it. This right yonder would be a pole extension for the gimbal. So as you can see, pretty nice length. About my torso. So, yeah. The bicep length goes. Boy, it sound like one of those batons. And of course you need your handy dandy carrying case. But you know what? Let's do this. Make this easier so that I can put the box away. And as you can hear, the children are having a blast and a ball. And we weren't invited to the party. Are you one of the types that keep the boxes for your electronics? I tend to, so that I can, I don't know why. Do you? Well, I'd ask that question for myself. Take out all pertinent manuals. And that will conclude this portion of the video. Haul portion of the day is done.